Hello class, welcome back to Unit 3, and we are now in Lesson 9. And we are looking to see if we have a good deal. Okay, so sometimes in business you might negotiate with somebody and see if they can give you a better price for whatever it is that you want to buy. And sometimes it can be tricky to figure out if you have a good deal or not. Okay, so this is an activity we've done in class, and you all would have been working with your partners, and you wouldn't have had to be responsible for all of these cards, which you can see here they all are. Here is everything that you were going to be working with. Okay, and so we want to try to figure out if we have a good deal or not. And so there's a couple of different ways that you can compare deals, but generally the best way, the way that I recommend, is just finding out the unit rate. Okay, you want to find the unit rate, which means that you want to find the price for one. Okay, and the price per one, we can just find that by taking the money, the amount that it costs, and dividing it by the number of items that you're getting for that amount of money. So, for example, with the drink back here, you're getting, with the original deal, 4 for $3.16. Okay, so what we would do to find out what the cost would be is we're going to take the $3.16 and we're going to divide that by 4. Okay, so what I've done is I've put in a calculator here for you to use, and you can click on that, and we can go ahead and see what we're going to get. 316 divided by 4, and that'll give us the unit rate. Okay, so 316 divided by 4. Okay, that's 79 cents. So what we can do is we can go ahead and we can say that it is 79 cents. Let me change the color here. It's going to be 79 cents, 0.79 per 1. All right, and so that's what we're going to do. Every time we calculate here, we're going to be finding the price per 1. So from now on, I'm just going to put the price, but we know that's per 1. All right, so for the new deal, it was 3 for $2.25. So we need to take $2.25 and divide that by 3. Okay, remember it changed. It wasn't 4. It was 4 before for the other deal, but it's 3 for this one. So in this case, it's 75 cents for 1. So, okay, so this is going to be 0.75 cents. And which one is a better deal? Would you rather pay 79 cents for one bottle or 75 cents for one? I'd rather pay 75 cents for one. So we're going to say that's a good deal. Excuse me. Okay, so when we look at the juice boxes deal here, we have an original deal of 10 for $3.50. Well, what we can do is we can take $3.50 and divide it by 10. And a little shortcut is to know that you can just move this decimal point one spot to the left. And so that's going to mean that the price for 1 in this case is going to be 35 cents for 1 box. Okay, so we want to see about with the new deal, 6 for $2.40. Well, let's go to the calculator. I want to show you something on the calculator in case you don't do this in your head. Okay, so 6 for 240, that means you would type in 2.40 divided by 6, and you get 0.4. Now, you might be thinking that 0.4 is 4 cents, and that's a really good deal, right? That would be way better. But you would be mistaken. 0.4 is talking about 40 cents. Okay, and so 40 cents per box is actually more than we were paying before. So if that's the deal they're offering us, we're going to say no thank you. Not a good deal. All right, let's look at C, granola bars. Again, we're just finding the unit rate for each of these here. So for original, it was 5 for $4.40. So we take the cost, that's the $4.40, and we divide that by 5, and we get 88 cents for 1. So we'll note that here. It's going to be 88 cents for 1. Now, for the other one, the new deal, 4 for $3.12, Well, let's see what it's going to be. 4 for 312, that's going to need to be 312 divided by 4. Yeah, 0.78. If you think about it, if it was 3.2, we could kind of pretend that's 32, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. And so 3.2 would be 80 cents. And since it's less than 3.2, it's going to be less than 80 cents. So 0.78. And so if you think about that, well, 0.78, that is a better deal. So we would be happy to accept the new deal. We're better off with that. All right. So for the next one here, we have hummus, 16 for $14.40. Okay. So I need to go to the calculator. I need to do $14.40 divided by 16. 0.9. So again, we want to think about that as 0.9. Is that 9 cents? No, it's 90 cents. 90 cents for one. And if you think about it, if it was 16 for $16, that would be $1 a piece. All right, so if it's $14.40, it's going to be a little bit less than $1. Not a lot less, but just a little bit less, so 90 cents. Makes sense. The new deal here, we have 10 for $9. Remember the little trick I showed you up here? When we are dividing by 10, we can just move the decimal point one place to the left. So when you do that, you're going to have 0.9 again, which is what we got before, and so that's going to be the same thing as 90 cents. So with 0.90 cents again for 1 here, you're really going to have the same thing, right? You have the same price for 1, and so we can consider that to be a good enough deal because that works for us. We don't have to pay anything more per unit. For E, for yogurt, we have 8 for $6.80. So let's see what the unit price is. That's going to mean we take the price, the $6.80, and divide it by 8. That's 85 cents for 1. So we want to note that in here. Okay, 85 cents is the unit rate for that. What's the unit rate for the new deal? 6 for $5.22. Let's figure that out. It's going to be $5.22 divided by 6. That's 87 cents. Let's see here. The old deal was 85 cents for 1. Now we're paying 87 cents for 1. It's pretty close, but no thank you. I don't want to pay more for 1. Okay, so everybody had cards A through E, and you can see here A through E, the deals and the ones that were good deals and not good deals. There's also card F here, and since it's right here, I want to go ahead and go over it with you guys. The original, we had 12 for $9.12. Let's find the unit rate for that. 12 for $9.12. So we can clear this when we can take 9.12 divided by 12, and it's 76 cents is the unit rate. So let's note that right here. 76 cents is the unit rate, not 86, 76. The new deal, it's 9 for blank. So we don't know what the new deal is, but we went to see what would be a good deal if we knew that we were going to be getting 9 for a certain amount, right? So, well, the idea is that if we paid 76 cents for 1 here, we don't want to pay more than that down here. We want to pay either the same amount or less, right? So if it was 76 cents for 1 and we got 9, how much would we expect to pay? Well, let's see. 9 for 76 cents, that's going to be 9 times 76 cents. Let's see what that is. 9 times 0.76. That's 6.84. Okay, so I'm going to make note of that here. 6.84. That would be what we could call a break-even point. If we got 9 and paid 6.84 for them, we'd be paying the same thing. But if we wanted to have a better deal, we could pay that amount or less. Right, so let me stretch this out there. So if it was 6.84, well, it'd be the same thing. And if it was less than 6.84, it'd be a good deal. Of course, that means if it was more than 6.84, we would not like that deal. Okay, so that's how that works.